Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lila, and today I'm sharing with you my morning skincare routine. Like everybody else, I like to start with a cleanser. This one is a DIY oat powder, which is the best cleanser for sensitive skin. It doesn't harm the skin because it doesn't contain those harsh chemicals that other cleansers can have. It is a very gentle exfoliator, and it cleanses and moisturizes the skin at the same time. I have combination skin, which means that my T-zone is oily while the rest of my face is dry. For that reason, I'm using this little silicone face scrubber along with warm water to clean any accumulated sebum from my face. I either add the oat powder directly to my face or on the little scrubber if I'm using it on that particular morning. As you can see, I also use it to exfoliate the dead skin off of my lips. After I'm done cleansing, I follow up with a turmeric bentonite clay face mask. This has been helping me a lot with hyperpigmentation that I have on my cheeks and on my forehead, which you cannot see right now as it has been getting much better, but I'll make sure to show you a close-up towards the end of this video. I apply this mask on all the places where I scar the most. If you have sensitive skin, I'd recommend you mix the turmeric with either oat powder or some other mild powder instead of the clay, as it's a little bit harsh sometimes on the skin and a bit drying too. If you insist on using this clay, you can still add a small or very small portion to your mixture, but always be very mindful of your skin's preferences. I leave the mask on for about 15 minutes or until it dries up, and then I come back and I rinse it by patting lukewarm water on it, then gently rubbing it off. I then follow up with my favorite non-DIY face scrub. This avocado honey face scrub from St. Ives cost about $4 or $5 and it is completely cruelty-free. It leaves my skin feeling so soft and it barely feels like an exfoliator. I always recommend it to all of my friends. I use my microfiber towel to help rinse the scrub off. This allows me to pat my face dry so I can immediately follow up with my moisturizer and serum. I use this regular moisturizer from St. Ives, same brand as my face scrub, and I just apply it all over my face. I don't use any specific face moisturizer. I used to use the Clinic one, but I ran out and I never got it back, but I'll definitely get my hands on it next. I then follow up with my serum, which is from this company. I forgot the name, but I'll definitely put their Instagram and their website below so you can check them out. This is a brightening serum, that's why I use it. I figured it would also help with hyperpigmentation, and the hyperpigmentation, tends to leave my skin a little dull looking, so using this serum really helps me combat that. And there you have it, my very simple yet effective skincare routine. I keep the products very minimal because I figured we're already using tap water, which can be harmful to our skin. Why would we use a ton of products with chemicals of which we don't even know the real long-term effects of? Here I'm showing you what's left of my hyperpigmentation. This is sort of a contoured shadow that you see with a ton of little scars hidden in there. It used to drive me crazy, but now it has been getting much better. And that's all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed and got some helpful tips. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!